right there. Look at that. He's picking his back right up.
How much BBs did you put in it?
Whoop, 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 whoop. He's having fun.
Gary, how much BBs did you put in it?
I don't have BBs.
All right. Remote control pulling. Whoa. All right. Pull, pull. Whoop, whoop. He wanted to back right up. Unhook me. That's cool. All right. Good job. That's to keep it going. All right, look who's up next. He's already going. They hooked me up. I want to go. There you go. Woo! When the dust settles, you will see a full pull. There you go. All right. Off he goes. All right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to sub me now. Bye-bye. There he goes. He's going. Yum, 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 yum. They added more weight. Extra 5 pounds. Oops. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. When the dust settles, there you go. About a little more than halfway. Well, that was different. I had added 5 more pounds to him. Alright, now that guy's got to try it out with the extra 5 pounds on there. Since he made a full pull. So much fun. Remote control pulling. Love it. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's it.
Actually got him by another 5 feet anyway. Almost 6 feet.
Alright, got the other one by about 6 feet. Very good. Alright, that's with the added weight. Alright.
You want it right there, Santa Bryce?
Alright, now they're getting ready. Ooh. Big fella. Is he going next? Alright, well, stay tuned for more. I'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at the pep in that one. He's got some pep, don't he? Alright. Kid's saying, watch this, so this ought to be a good one. If it's him that's saying it, or somebody behind me. Look at that. Alright, he done a full pull. We're going to fix this. Ooh, he's going to get another 5 pounds. Alright, let's see how he does with another 5. And we want to make sure he has a hard time. Alright, so that'll make it, what, 15 pounds? Where is he? Back her up there, buddy. Sometimes these things go so fast, it's hard to stay caught up. Ooh, look at that one. Wow. That's quite a bit of little weight for the little fella. Let's see how this goes. Okay, let her rip, it says. Alright, nothing for him. Made the full pull. even with the extra 5 pounds. He's got power.
We'll shut it down. I'll pull mine out. I'll pull mine. I'll shut it down.
Okay, go park yourself. Oh, he's gonna go again. Oh, they found more weights to give him more. Isn't that funny? Find out how many weights. Now it's holding him back. Oops, that's as far as he goes. All right, now they know his weight power on the gravel like this, where they really can sink right in. It's like a desert. All right. Hey, time to park there, buddy. All right. Spitting in the spotting. Oh, put his tire off. He wanted to keep going. Wild horse. He wants to keep going. Shut him right down. Alright, stay tuned for more. Bye-bye. Alright, so the little girl brought hers. She wants to be able to pull. Alright. I don't know if she can, if she's got what it takes to pull. Most of them all had attachments. She doesn't. Oh, they're going to give her a chain. She can pull it. Yeah, now it's going up, that's it. Needs a little help. She brought her own. Apparently not used to riding in the gravel. Nah, I don't know. Okay for running, but not for pulling. Not ready to pull. Okay. Okay, now let's see who's next. Alright, who are they going to put now? Okay, here comes the next fella. He's ready to pull. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Oh, he's just a spinning. Come on, get going, go, go, go. Woohoo, look at that, whoa. Look at that. Front wheels are really going. And some tiger in his tank. Whoop, 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 whoop. Wants to play. And the other one right there is just going back and forth. Just playing. Alright, and here's the parking. Alright, let's go in next. In the wrong spot. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, crash, 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 crash. Round and around and around he goes. Will he get himself back up? Like a Dougie on the side. Oh, almost had it. Get out, get out, get out. Come on. Ah, just went off on the other side. Yay! Where'd he go? Oh, he's back on the dirt here. All right. Back right there. All right. Whoops. Got somebody else on there. Ready to go. He's not going nowhere. So full of dust, you can't even see much of them. Oh my goodness, when the dust settles, you'll see him. There he is, right there. And that one's just a little show off there. Cute little remote controls, aren't they? Seems like he's always digging in the sand, that one. All right. Alright, he's got to hook him up. There he goes. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yoo-hoo! Let the dust settle and you'll see him again. And there you go. Alright, cool. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me. Join me as a friend. Bye-bye now. They just want to play and have fun. Oh, they're going to make him pull. Alright. Oh, he sounds like he's souped right up. You can hear him. Like high-speed racing. It's getting ready. They're hooking him up. Can he dig it? Wow, I hear him? Still like on high speed. Alright, it's gotta be a hard duster all the way. Yay, full pull though. Yeah. Dust, dust, dust. Oh, he sounds like he's still on high speed. All right, they're gonna put him right back on. See how that works. Oh, they had more weight. He can't go. Oh, he's going. full bowl. Good job. He's on some high speed. There's the other one just playing. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
This was flat and not so dry. We'd be able to pull probably 4 times as much weight for pulling. That'd be able to pull a lot better.
Ah, it was a harder instead of powder. They would be able to pull a lot better. I made it very clear. Alright, well, it's time for them to get off now. That's the end of the remote control pulling because it's time for tractor pull. Alright, hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to join me as a friend. We'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now.